When you very first look out your porthole and see it for the first time, you see it coming, and then it's just, you feel insignificant with its beauty and its grandeur.
Antarctica is the most beautiful, dramatic place that I've ever seen.
It looks like just a green screen is all around you because it's so beautiful, you can't believe that it's true.
You know you're gonna get a whole continent covered in ice, and yet when you see it for the first time, you're still at a loss for words.
Because there are no words to explain just the moment of wow.
It's been beyond words.
There's almost no words.
You can't describe it with any words.
I can't, there's no words, no words.
I can't even put the experience into words.
I can't put words how great it has been.
Usually I like to say a few things to camera about a destination, however I've found it extremely hard to muster the words to describe Antarctica. It's just so beautiful and so magnificent that these words just don't seem to do it justice. It's almost as though there needs to be a whole new series of adjectives invented just to describe Antarctica.
So a base camp expedition is where we offer all the different activities. So we offer kayaking, camping, mountaineering, snowshoeing, general landings. And what makes it different to other trips and also to other companies is that everyone gets the opportunity to try everything, obviously weather and ice dependent. So you don't have to be a kayaker to come out and try kayaking. You don't have to be an experienced mountaineer because we have the mountain guides who will lead you safely.
There's 5 or 6 different activity guides that are constantly out with different groups, and while you're not with an activity guide, you're still on a landing or on a Zodiac cruise, exploring the icebergs, visiting penguin colonies, you're visiting old historic bases.
But the activities themselves are so insane. I went on kayaking, and just to be on the water, going through the ice with the glaciers floating around was just jaw-dropping.
So we've just done our first ever ice climb.
And we're camping outside in a bivy sack, and I can't wait.
We get to spend every single day, multiple times a day on land, enjoying what Antarctica has to offer.
These trips are full of new stuff all the time, and it's just, as a guide, it's amazing to see the faces and smiles, and they come back and are so happy.
Oh, awesome. What can you say?
All I know is I got a smile on my face the entire time.
I can't stop smiling, that's true.
We've been mountaineering, kayaking, snowshoeing, so many activities.
You cannot beat this.
The whole point of coming somewhere like this is you're not in a tour group, you're not getting on and off a bus and looking at a view and getting back on the bus. This is a real expedition and it feels like it. I know you can come on big ships, I know you can sail around and look at the view, but this really feels like we're part of it. Nothing like the old explorers, of course. We're lovely and warm, it's incredibly comfortable, the food is amazing. But we really feel like we're doing stuff, and that's what I wanted, and that's what I've got.
This has been the trip of a freaking lifetime, and it's only day 3. I don't know what we're gonna do from here. It's amazing.
I don't know.
Yeah, can't get better, and then it does.
And penguins are everywhere.
And who doesn't like penguins?
Yeah.
Here in Antarctica, the wildlife is so unused to the presence of humans that they don't see us a threat at all and are literally not scared of us one bit. Not only that, but quite often the curiosity seems to be mutual. And in my mind, that's a sign of a truly pristine environment.
I came out here, they're like, you're gonna see penguins, you're gonna see seals. I didn't believe them at all.
I mean, look at it. It's beautiful, and my heart can't handle it.
Wow, I mean, you get emotional just being here, just being surrounded by this magnificent beauty. I didn't even know places as beautiful as this could exist.
The ocean wide experience has been amazing.
It's just blown every expectation out of the water.
Far exceeded my expectations. Honestly, it's a dream come true.
And I think now I need to tell everybody that this is the company you should go with.
And I would highly, almost exclusively recommend Oceanwide for an experience like this one. You need to have the best to come to a place like this, and I wholeheartedly believe Oceanwide would be the best.
I think everyone needs to experience this, and Oceanwide does an amazing job of teaching us how to preserve and just leading by example on how to preserve Antarctica so that hopefully more and more generations can enjoy what we're enjoying today.